Good afternoon, it's Mel here, and today we're going to do a fun game, and it's called the bird letter hunt, okay? And you can do this in your garden, you could do this in a park, you could even do it in the house, okay? And what we've done is to put together a little map here, okay? So the map's there, and then you put the numbers of each of the letters that they're going to find. So go and find number one. Off you go, Amelia. Number one.
And me, folks.
Okay, get ready, Jack. You're in next. Right, what letter have you got?
S.
Great. Number two.
I know what the letter.
Right, number two. Off you go.
I'll get number two.
You put that here, Emmy.
Wait, where's the washing line? Is that the washing line?
Right, so you just orientate it like that. Have a look. Where's number two on there? Okay, so
Wait, is that the, where's the washing line?
there.
Washing line, then the fence.
Right, so
Okay.
There we go. Okay, in.
Oh yeah, I know where I'm going. Come with me, camera person. Mother.
Okay, well done. Okay, Amelia, number three. Off you go.
Oh, I know what it is.
Right, ready, Emmy? Number three.
Yes. Cricket push.
Yay! That was quick. Ready, Jack? And what's that? Letter
I'm
A.
going to put it on.
Okay, next one, Jack.
You feel it? Yes, it's swan. Swan paper. What word is swans?
Okay.
E.
Right, go back.
We've got E. I gave that to
Okay.
her. I gave that to her.
Okay, pop it on there. Right, number two.
I gave it to her. 'cause she
Number
didn't know
two,
where it
Jack.
was.
Off you go.
Number two.
Fantastic. Number two. Off you go.
Gorga.
Right, Emmy. Where could number three be?
It's near the
Is it near? On the trampoline. Okay. Hopefully it's still there. Yes, it is. Okay, get in! Get in! Right, you know where number three is. Off you go. Run! Now you can skip. Off you go. Try some skipping.
Oh, I know what it is. I'll get this right.
Right, great job, Amelia. Jack.
I got number
Right, pop it on there.
Yay.
Door. Right, Jack. Number four. Where is number four?
eagle. I know what it is.
Oh my goodness, you guys are eagle-eyed. Let's see if we get the last two letters. You're very hot. You're extremely hot. Unbelievably hot. It's something white in the bushes. Very hot.
Where is it?
Very hot. Keep looking. There's loads of Easter egg. Great. Wonderful.
Eagle.
Okay.
It's a
Emmy,
eagle.
where's number five?
Hop in for that. I'll go grab it.
Okay, go. Go get it. It probably wasn't quite as far as that, but you good.
Found it! Yes, it's eagle! I got my eagle eyes right!
You are eagle-eyed. Well done.
Quickly, can I? No, quickly, can I show my...
Pop it on there. Pop it on there.
It's
And what is that? What does that spell?
It's eagle!
What you got?
Got it back.
What
Well
you got?
done.
Why?
Why?
You see that? You see.
It's already got it.
Okay, that's all right. Number two. Where is that?
Oh,
In the pool. Off you go.
it's a tiny bit wet, but...
Okay, tiny bit wet.
There was... Found it!
Okay, where are you going to put that?
Now can I show my...
Ow! What does it say? What does it say?
Ow!
Ow! Okay, so if you've enjoyed that, what I would like you to do is put your videos and your photos on Earwig and send them in. And what you want to try and do, and I'll give you some more ideas, is to have some more bird names as well. Have fun, keep active. Bye!